eCourses Student Tutorial. eCourses is a platform that allows you to view and download all courses material shared by your instructor. You can also upload your assignments and submit quizzes. Accessing eCourses Moodle. In order to access the eCourses, go to ua.edu.lb, click on Lien rapide or quick links, and select Moodle. You can also access Moodle by visiting ecourses.ua.edu.lb. You will be redirected to the Microsoft portal, where you have to enter your UA email composed of your ID's 9 digits and UA email domain. Type in your email's password. Do not confuse your UA email password with the SIS password. After logging in, you will be able to see on the left side of the screen all the courses you have already enrolled in. For example, here you are enrolled in Written Communication for Engineers only. After clicking on the course name, you will see your grades, the general space, and the topics related to this course. General tab shows announcements and feedbacks. Topics should refer to assignments, chapters, PowerPoint presentations, or any other topic provided by the instructor. Uploading assignments. To upload an assignment, click on it. Under Submission Status, check the due date and the time remaining to know your assignment's submission deadline. To add your assignment, click on Add Submission. Pick the document from your directory. Upload it, and hit the Save Changes button. To make sure that your assignment is successfully submitted, check the submission status. It should now indicate that your assignment is submitted for grading. To download materials shared by your instructor, you can easily click it so the file will be automatically downloaded into your computer.